Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your body shape in Roblox. In order to do so, first off, here we are on the Roblox website at roblox.com. There's a couple ways of doing this. One is to do it from the website, the other is to do it from Roblox executable. Let's go ahead and take a look at the website. And what we want to do is up at the top left hand corner, you want to click that and then you want to select where it says avatar. Once we select avatar in the screen here that shows up, so we have our avatar, and what we want to do is we want to change the body. So you can see here already that we have a body that we can select here, but if we want to see what kind of bodies we have available, then if you go to where it says head and body and just hover over with your mouse, then you'll see that you get a bunch of additional options that will come up here. So you have your torso, you have your arms and your legs, and all of those you can update. So let's go ahead and select torso. And then you can see here that we've got our Roblox boy torso and the man torso. If we want to change this to the boy torso, all we have to do is just click that there. And we have successfully changed our torso. Let's go ahead and take a look at the executable, and you will see something similar here, where on the left-hand side in the menu where it says avatar, you can click on that. And then from here we have a variety of options to choose from. Let's go ahead and select customize. Here we have our character. We want to update the body, so let's go to head and body. And here again we see a variety of options. Let's go ahead and go to torsos. And you can see here that we have our same options. We have the man torso or the boy torso. Let's go ahead and select boy torso. And you'll see now that the check has moved and we now have changed our body shape for our character. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.